It is so effortless to invest.
कि यार हम पैसा बचा ही नहीं पा रहे हैं, हम इन्वेस्ट क्या करेंगे.
Savings and investing is a habit.
People struggle a lot with their savings.
A lot of impulsive buying.
You can spend rest of your money without any guilt. Hello everyone, welcome to Money Ki Baat. This is your host Anmol Gupta. Today I have with me my friend Pooja Rai, who is the co-founder and CEO at Antil Creations. Pooja graduated from IIT Kharagpur and has been running her own venture for the past 4 years. Welcome Pooja.
Thank you, Anmol. Though I'm not an expert in managing finances, so happy to be here to talk about my journey with Seven Prosper and how I have been able to develop a habit of regular savings and started to invest.
So Pooja, being your financial advisor, I've seen that your saving habits are commendable. I mean, people struggle a lot with their savings, forget about investments. सबसे पहला जो कंसर्न लोगों का होता है जब वो हमारे पास आते हैं वो ये होता है कि यार हम पैसा बचा ही नहीं पा रहे हैं, हम इन्वेस्ट क्या करेंगे. And you made a transition from a corporate job to starting your own startup, and that is exactly when you started investing. So how did that happen?
Yeah, like in my first job, I knew the importance of savings, but I didn't know how to do it and where to do it. I actually started saving when I was earning much less than before I was in a job. And one thing that I've realized is that you don't need to be earning a lot to start savings. Savings and investing is a habit, and you can start it even with a very small amount. And especially with these SIPs, it is so effortless to invest. I know that so much amount will get deducted from my account automatically on a particular date. It's very, very convenient.
Right, I think SIP is a very good way of creating that habit. As I always talk about my two equations, income minus expenses is equal to savings, and income minus savings is equal to expenses. So once you save first, you can spend rest of your money without any guilt. You have a defined budget for spending. So Pooja, how were you able to develop this habit, and what behavior changes have you seen when you were not saving versus now?
So earlier, I would do a lot of impulsive buying, go on unplanned trips, throw parties, buy these expensive gifts for people. Now I do the same things, but in a much more planned way. Especially with Seven Prosper, I've been able to do this goal based investing, which enables me to do all of those things, go on trips, buy the things that I require, and without the guilt of spending too much money at once and feeling broke.
I think impulsive buying is one of the reasons because of which people have not been able to start saving. I just have one small tip around controlling your impulsive buying. So people, whenever you feel like buying something, जब भी आपको कुछ लगता है कि यार ये चीज़ अभी के अभी खरीद लेते हैं, then just wait for 24 hours. Don't buy that thing right at that moment. Just wait for 24 hours. Maybe just add that thing to your cart. Now even after 24 hours, if you feel like buying that thing, and if you have the money, go ahead and buy it. But in most cases, you'll not feel like buying that thing after 24 hours. So anyway, coming back to Pooja. Pooja, so there are two things. First is savings, and then investing those savings, right? So we have seen that even though people who save money, they put their savings into savings account. They don't really invest that money. So savings is not an effective way of managing your money anyway. The first step is savings. You definitely need to save money, but after saving, you also need to invest money. And you have done that as well. So what was your motivation to start investing?
So, I've always been a person who wants to be financially independent even on rainy days. I don't want to be dependent on anyone, especially when I'm taking such a big risk of leaving my job and starting my own venture. I believe there should be something to fall back on when things don't go well. And we all have seen this with the COVID-19 situation. Market has got affected and most businesses have been struggling with the situation. And I think with my habit of saving money over the past few years, that has enabled us to thrive even in these difficult times. There are also a lot of bias that we face from the society as a women entrepreneur. And managing your finances well and being financially independent breaks all of those biases. Over the years, this has become a habit and I continue to do it.
I totally get what you're saying. And I think you have mentioned a very, very important point here, saving money for the rainy day. So जब हम भी financial planning करते हैं, we compulsorily ask our clients to save money for the rainy day in form of an emergency fund. क्योंकि you never know when these kind of things will happen. But when these kind of things do happen, जो emergency के लिए पैसा रखा हुआ होता है, वही काम में आता है. So along with you, many of our other customers have also seen the same thing. They had sufficient of money for the rainy day. So thank you Pooja for sharing your experience. and you're already a role model for many, and I'm sure many more people are going to learn from you. So before leaving, would you like to give just one suggestion for anyone who wants to start investing?
Sure, I have only one thing to say, that do not wait when you will make a lot of money and then you will start investing. Start as early as possible, because investing is a habit.
Thanks Pooja for the wonderful tip. And guys, if Pooja could start investing being an early stage startup founder, then I think a lot of us can start investing. So as she said, it's just about developing that habit. And guys, do subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the future episodes. Thank you.